Say what day it is. 28.
Are you recording? Oh my God, you're recording.
Are you sure? Yeah, because I do the even numbers. Yeah.
Wait, 28 of what?
A vlog.
Oh, hi.
Hi, pizza.
You got really close to me. That was kind of creepy. That's not funny. You have a giggling phone.
Pull your hands, flick. Hi. What's up?
Hi. I really need to use the bathroom. Oh my
Then
God.
get up and pee.
Alright, sorry. Hey, let me go with my little, like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
What?
Oh, you sat all over me.
Whoa.
Some Reese's Pieces. Wait, are you recording too, or are you just taking pictures?
I'm recording. It's my day.
I'm not talking to you.
Shut up.
Sorry. Okay, I don't really talk like that, so people don't watch that and think I'm
You're a creeper. Pedophile.
Yeah. So, if you want Reese's Pieces, I got them.
Stop playing with your pieces.
I'm sorry, they're addictive. You just need to touch them sometimes. Why do you keep taking pictures of, like, nothing? Ow, that's my
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Ready? Ready.
What are you gonna do? You recorded? Oh, that's cute.
No, I didn't.
You're recording while taking pictures.
I did.
It's beautiful.
Oh, I like that one.
I need that. Are you taking my shirt?
Look how blue my eyes look.
Where's?
Yes!
I like that one too.
How do I look?
My hair looks really straight. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. You're really close.
Up
You're really
close to your
close.
face.
I know.
Like, it's kind of creepy. Like, probably all you see is my
Oh, you
head.
rock them too.
I rocked them sexier.
Hi.
Sorry.
You suck.
Got it.
Am I supposed to say something important?
It's weird.
Am I supposed to say something important? Like, it's, besides my Reese's Pieces are on my, like, crotch area.
Alright, that's not.
Shut up, Nicole. Go back to band camp.
Maybe I will.
Band camp! Band
I
camp!
play the play.
Hello!
Hi. Can y'all make sure that your parents know 5 o'clock show? Y'all. We're like,
Really? Why?
because they've got things to do, I've got things to do.
Really? What do you have to do on Sunday?
Let's just yeah.
We should put a door on my mouth. Look at me.
Look at you.
See, Mom was there. Look at me.
I thought you guys were going to school.
I'm so tired.
Well, we are. We're gonna get our groove on. We
Are we
are
really?
gonna
Wait,
get our
who's
groove
gonna
on.
go in the pool?
Not
Are
me.
you gonna go in the pool?
I will take off my shirt and you guys can see my ribs.
Your ribs. So they were ahead.
Close enough, honestly.
Not really.
I think my ribs are getting away. I actually had to untighten my belt today. I felt special because I was getting bigger.
That sounded kind
Oh, my legs
Yeah,
falling
yeah.
asleep.
Yes. That's what was. Oops! Oh no! Oh no! I'm getting some issues. Ooh, I'm kind of thirsty now. How was that funny? How was that funny?
Here, where are these?
You're like stalking me with that camera.
Where are these?
Look at my boobs.
Look at you. What? Oh.
Ah!
Snooki!
Do it again.
Dude, these are barely glasses at all.
Got it.
They really change your vision.
And you're
Well, for me, they.
mine's better than Snooki, man. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Do I
Bye.
rock these
Nice
glasses?
seeing you.
Yeah. Bye.
They're kind of hard to back there, but-